What's up guys? Maayong odto sa ato tanan, sa ato ang tanan. Yes, that's my Bisaya. Maayong odto guys for our lunch. Ang bahaw kagabi nga ato ang giluto. So, yung buong chick, yung tingnan mo. Ay siyang karne kayo siya mag-story. Ayan o, may saging pa. Ay sa Bryce, nung Tuesday naman to. Ito, yesterday, Wednesday. Ngayon, Monday. So the rest was yesterday pa pala. Nang udto. Anyways guys, this is my lunch. Welcome to my lunch. I have fresh mint galing sa garden ko. Some other people are, ginagawa nilang tea. So, ako naman, dyan ko lang sa soda nilalagay. Pepsi Zero. Of course, hindi mawawala ang pili-pili. Ang sausawan. Time check is 12 noon. So, it's lunchtime dito sa Africa. Sa office. Sa amin. Not sa Africa. Ang laki ng Africa. Anyways. Yeah, I'm just having my lunch by 1. I should be back in the office. I'm doing my closing. So, I'll do it busy. Sarap. Pwede na makamove on sa grilled chicken ko. Minarinate ko to ng 2 days ng lahat ng spices. Tapos, sili. Kaya, yung niya, yung pagkain mo sa kanya, kahit bahaw siya, sarap pa rin. So, masarap ang bahaw ah. Wala ang internet dali. So, medyo busy ta karon lata naka-share sa to ang mga video. Yes. Pero natapos ko na pag-edit nung day 4 natin sa Cape Town. So, watch out guys. Let's give appreciation to the people na lagi nag-i-engage like Christian Favela. Thank you, Chan. I'll send you another gift. Simba! Alam mo yung tipong, I want to give him a lesson. Kaso nga lang, hindi ko matiis yung aso. Sit! Hindi ko matiis. Parang, kung may anak man ako, ibig sabihin, feeling ko may spoiled ko lahat sila. Kasi parang, dito sa aso kasi, grabe sobrang soft.
Ano naman, gusto mo maingit kami sa iyo. Pero mas pinili pa rin
sobrang soft niya.
Maghanap ng iba.
Kaya, sana.
Bubugbugin ko na ba?
Anyways.
At ikaw ay
para kay Doggy. May cheese pa sa ulo. Ano siya? Chicken fillet.
Especially
Saan ba yun? Sky! Ano to? Meron pa.
Nandito lang, na-misplace ko na. Na-misplace ko na. Nagamit yung misplace ko. Hindi ko na-displace.
Cheese.
Balikan natin ang kwentong
Melted
dalawang
cheese.
pusong nagmamahalan.
Cheese.
At alamin ang
Melted
dahilan ng
cheese.
kanilang paghiwalay.
Melted
Pero
cheese.
mag-alala dahil
Cheese.
ang magkakamatch
Cheese.
na searcher
Melted
at
cheese.
searchy ay magde-date naman sa buffet
Anyways,
town
let me eat.
Meals. Inakala mong ikaw lang, sapat na. Pero may ka-I love you na palang iba.
Ay,
Here is our especially couple for today.
lasing yung kuhus natin, Coach.
So, I am traveling soon. I can't say the date because it has to be a surprise. So, Simba is going to school. So that this period that I'm not around, I'm not gonna say when, where, how long. It's gotta be a surprise. Simba is going to learn how to catch, learn how to stay, and learn how to fetch, and learn how to lie down or roll and whatever. So I'm sending my dog to school so that somehow we can understand each other. Yeah. So since I don't have enough patience for this kind of thing, I let other people to handle him, and then I'll reap from it. So yeah, let's pay for the school fee for my dog. So guys, if you want to help me pay for my school fee, for the school fee of my dog, please subscribe, follow me, and engage on my YouTube channel, as well as here in Facebook. Yeah, ciao guys. Let me enjoy my food.